Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be going through another really easy install for the MP style front lip for your WRX VB. If you're after something super aggressive but don't want to break the bank, this is the front lip for you, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to fit. To get started, we'll go through the tools that you'll need. We have a clip remover for the 4 clips that are on the bottom of this lip. If you don't have one of these at home, a flat head will do. We'll use this one to make it easy. We have an impact with a Phillips head adapter. This is just for the, I think 13 tap-ins that go across the lip here. All right, so first things first, just a tip for you guys at home. If you have a friend, which I don't, it's actually better to probably build the lip off the car. That way you guys can hold it up at one time and plug it in at the exact same time. But because I'm working alone, I'll be doing each part separately and I'll be joining the front lip on the car. I'll show you guys how to do that right now. So we'll start off with the right-hand side. You can start off at any side. Actually, before I get to that, if you guys want to come with me, remember how I said I took out some clips prior to this? So if you duck under here, we're going to need this clip here. So this clip was here. So essentially it's like that. We use one of these, poke it in, grab that out and pull down. So that one there, we're going to reuse. And we do the same process across this bar, and there's 4 of them that go across. All right, and just a tip for you guys at home, I'll use a flat head, which actually comes in handy because I forgot to mention earlier that these clips here actually need a flat head to twist. So just get your flat head and you twist, put like that. See how it will pop out like that? Then you just pop one of these, wiggle that one out. Then you kind of get behind it, push it out, and kind of make your way around until you can get it pops out. Just rip it out of there. So we do that exact same process on the other side. Now again, I have a clip remover, so I'll probably be using that, but flathead is going to be used to loosen the clip. We'll start off with the right side. Because we've made this lip suit the OEM holes, this process is so easy. We grab the clip that we just removed, so we'll start with the flathead clip, I would say. I usually pop it through, just so I can see exactly where I'm going. Wiggle that one up, that one's already in. I can just pop that one in. And then we grab the big one, same thing, wiggle that one through into that hole there. Oh, that one went in a lot easier. That's all we need to do for that one. Next, I'll go to the right side and repeat that exact same process. So again, small clip here at the front, wiggle that one through, get that one into this hole. If that doesn't work, I use the back of a flat head or a Phillips head. And that one's in. Oh, I see what's happened. I haven't gone all the way in. Sometimes that does happen. Yep, that one's in. Second one. So now that the clips are in, I'm actually going to put the middle piece on first, and that way I can join these before I tap them in. That way there's no gap on either side. So I'm going to do this. Grab one of these. So this one sits here like this. Again, one of the more aggressive front lips that we have for the VB. And what happens is they pull together like that, and then we'll get them there. Looks pretty good, right? Your small bolt. Now, your front lip has active DRS. So anyway, we're gonna put the other 2 in, and this should hold it up nicely. We have our ratchet with an 8mm socket. So now that one's all done. All 3 pieces are now joined together. Now, if you saw earlier on, they looked like they were quite far apart, right? But once you tighten nuts and bolts each side, it reduces the gap to 0. And now the lip should be aligned on all sides. So what we're gonna do now is just add those tap-in screws and we should be good to go. All the tap-in screws that we use, we've actually pre-marked them. So it makes your life at home much easier when you're doing the install. I'll show you right now. So a little trusty tip is I like to push the lip up against the bumper so it reduces the gap here. So you might see a bit of flex here. Simply just put your hand here, grip and sort of clamp against the bar. That way there's no gap here. It's flush with the end. Just chuck this one into here and then beautiful. Here we go. And then we just repeat the same process 13 times. All right guys, that's how easy it is to install the MP style front lip for the WRX VB. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in our showroom. Tell me what you guys think.